Ramson's Bombay Manet is a paradise for art lovers. It has more than 10,000 wonderful dolls and statues. Many of them are based on epics Ramayana and Mahabharata and Upanishads. It has several exhibits on great people of India and a good collection of Mysore Dasara. It has handicrafts and children's section too. It is open on all the days of the week from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. There is no entry fee for visiting it. It is very close to Nazarbad police station. Visit to this Bombay Manet is not only enjoyable but has educational value. If you have not seen it so far, make it a point to visit it and enjoy yourself. I hope you enjoyed watching Ramson's Bombay Manet. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.